Planning a move in Richmond County, North Carolina? Whether you're relocating to Rockingham, Hamlet, or nearby towns, moving can feel stressful, but with the right approach, it can be smooth and worry-free. Hi, this is Three Movers, and today we're sharing quick tips for a stress-free move in Richmond County. Scheduling your move ahead of time is essential. Richmond County neighborhoods can have busy streets and limited parking, so reserving your moving truck and crew early ensures a smooth and efficient moving day. Use sturdy boxes, bubble wrap, and moving blankets, especially for fragile items. Clearly label each box by room. Organized packing protects your belongings and makes unloading faster and easier. Professional movers save time and prevent injuries. They know how to handle heavy furniture, navigate tight driveways and stairs, and ensure your items arrive safely, making your move worry-free. Moving in Richmond County doesn't have to be stressful. With early planning, smart packing, and professional movers, your relocation can be smooth and worry-free. Visit threemovers.com/north-carolina/richmond-county/ for a free estimate and let experienced movers handle the heavy lifting.